What if I told you that the answers you seek aren't found in words, but in silence? That beyond the noise of the world, beyond the endless distractions, beyond even your own restless thoughts, lies a space so vast, so profound, that it holds everything you need. This is not emptiness, this is presence, this is awareness, this is the power of silence. We live in a world drowning in sound, the constant hum of conversations, the notifications screaming for our attention, the thoughts racing through our minds like an untamed river. We mistake noise for knowledge, movement for progress, speaking for wisdom. But have you ever truly listened, not to the world, but to yourself? Not to the chatter of your mind, but to the space between thoughts. This is where Zen meditation begins, not in the pursuit of silence, but in becoming silence itself. In an ancient monastery nestled in the mountains, a young seeker once approached a Zen master. "Master," he asked, "what is the path to wisdom?" The master simply smiled and poured tea into the student's cup. He kept pouring until the tea overflowed, spilling onto the table, dripping onto the floor. "Master, stop! The cup is already full," the student exclaimed. The master nodded. "And so is your mind. How can you receive wisdom if you are already filled with noise?" The student fell silent, and in that silence he understood. When you practice silence, not just the absence of sound but true inner stillness, something remarkable happens. Your mind softens, your breath deepens, your awareness expands. You begin to notice the things that were always there but drowned out by distraction. The way the wind moves through the trees, the subtle rhythm of your own heartbeat, the peace that has been within you all along. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is fullness beyond words. In Zen meditation, we don't seek to escape thoughts, nor do we suppress them. We simply sit, breathe, observe, allow everything to be as it is. The mind will resist. It will bring up memories, worries, to-do lists. But if you sit long enough, a shift occurs. You realize you are not your thoughts. You are the space in which they arise, and that space is infinite. The world tells us that to be powerful, we must speak. To be successful, we must be heard. But the greatest wisdom is often found in stillness. The most powerful words are the ones left unspoken. The deepest understanding comes when there is nothing left to say. So I invite you, right now, to sit with silence. Just for a moment, close your eyes, breathe in, and let it all go. In the end, silence is not the absence of something. It is the presence of everything. What does silence reveal to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more Zen wisdom and meditation practices.